Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna be upgrading the lights on my car. And I have some footwell lights that are purple and some puddle lights for the doors. They're also purple. So right now I have white interior lights for the footwells, and for the doors I have red puddle lights. And when I got them, I just tried to match with the seats because the car was black, but now they don't really match the car since the car is teal and the seats are red, so it's kind of weird. And someone suggested me to get like blue puddle lights or something because someone else had them, and I was like, well, it doesn't match my car because I have red seats and everything. So I got the idea of like matching the color in between, so between red and blue it's kind of like the purple. So I think purple kind of matches my whole theme, so it's gonna be a nice touch to what I have. And I don't know why people do that shit. It's super annoying. They just pull up next to me, just stop, like look in my car, like what are you doing, just move on. Well, look at the car from the back, not fucking from the side. It's super annoying, man. But anyway, I'm about to install them and show you guys how I'm gonna do it and how it looks. So let's get right into it. So this is the light. You guys see this? It's like this plastic piece of thing that goes inside somewhere. It's like a clip, and under it, it's a screw. So you don't have to unscrew it. You just like, you pull it and it comes out. So there's one clip here, and this screw. But the screw is like a clip, so it just comes out. And this clip, I didn't take it out, but I don't know if I need to. Fuck. Well, I took it out now, but now I'm bleeding. So I disconnected the light right here. Super easy. You just press on the clip and you pull out. And now I'm gonna use this screw to try to get this out. I don't know if you even have to get this whole thing out, but the main thing is this light, and I have no clue how to take it out. And my knee is busted. It's just like all bleeding and stuff. Fuck, hurts. So here's the light. I pried it over here. With a screwdriver, and it comes off like that. Now I'm gonna get my super ultra bright purple lights and try to install one. Okay. Hey, looks nice. Now I'm gonna put the panel back on and show you guys the final look of this footwell once it's installed properly. Alright, it's purple. Let's see. It's too bright outside, but as you can see, it's a little purple. At night it should be the most noticeable. That's when it actually matters though. So on this side I'm gonna remove the clips right away in hopes that it will help me, but actually hard to see because like, even for me it's hard to see because the light is too bright. So having a little trouble seeing under here. But out it goes. Kinda broke it a little. If you guys can see, this thing doesn't want to focus, but yeah, you guys can see the corner right here kinda broke it a little bit, but whatever. Alright, and now we push this new light inside the hole the same way we took the white one out, and just connect, and voila, I think it's purple now. Super easy. You just have to remember how to do it every time you actually do it. This is my second or third time changing the light, the footwell lights, but I legit don't remember anything like how to do it properly. Alright, and that's the footwell lights. Let's do the puddle lights now. Puddle lights should be easier. You just get that thing out, get a new light in. Abstract Ocean. Let's see how good or bad this light is, because Abstract Ocean is out of the purple lights, so I got these from Amazon. And the puddle lights from Amazon are not too bad. If you just get these, if you get the ones with the logo, they're super dim. Alright. Doing the passenger side, yeah, it's the same thing. You just pry it out. Comes out, you disconnect the light, then try to look for the same a light that's the same type. So like this one is like this, you should look for one like this, the same direction connector, and this little prior thing should be on the same side. That's how I installed them. All you have to do is connect, and should be good to go. Alright, let's move on to the next side, to the other side. This one's kind of bright. I wonder if these are brighter than the lights that I got from Amazon. They probably are, to be honest. Let's see. Comparing to the Abstract Ocean lights, let's see. Oh, please don't tell me I can't connect. Yeah, the red one is definitely lighter, brighter, I mean. Abstract Ocean has better lights than some cheap Amazon lights, but whatever. I've been waiting for Abstract Ocean lights, and they've been out of stock. So one of the differences is that if you look at these lights, the housing is red, whereas this one is white. So if I bought the purple lights from Abstract Ocean, the housing would be purple as well, which will give it a little boost. As well as the light inside is way different. They just use some cheap LED like tabs or something, and this one seems different, although I can't see inside, but it's definitely different. It's like probably one strip of light or something.
Lifting the driver's side. And that's the purple light. Driver's side purple light. I also have these things purple.
You see it's a little dimmer. We can still see purple though. It's not too bad. So that's it for this video, guys. It's super hot out. I'm sweating, but anyway, I got everything installed and it looks good, I guess. The best time to see it is actually nighttime, so yeah. Right now it's just dim. You can't really see the difference, but the color is different, so that's a plus. Red wasn't that great, so purple should be nice. With the red and teal outside, should have kind of match, you know, in between. Purple's like in between the colors, so actually when you open the door, the puddle lights are between the car's color and the red seats. So you see, like, yeah, the between the color, yeah. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to get these lights, I'll leave a few links down below for you guys to check out. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.